Worksheet Builder makes bringing your ideas to life super simple. But I know, coming up with ideas for worksheets can sometimes be time consuming, and maybe you just want to grab a lesson and go. And this is where we have your back. Open the templates from the app's start screen. Here you can sort by level, subject, browse our list of categories, or search for something that takes your fancy. Now, the real power of our builder comes from the ease of editing. We believe in teaching what you want to teach your students and not being forced to teach a pre-made worksheet. So, not a fan of astronauts? Not a problem. Just pop in a vet. By combining our worksheet templates with our image library and any external images you find, the possibilities are endless, and you always end up with a lesson crafted for your students.